Hey, what's going on? My name is Leif, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 5 weird but awesome vegan products that you need to try. So the first product on our list is nutritional yeasts, or otherwise known as Nooch. So if you've ever had a box of Cheez-Its before, which aren't vegan, but if you've had them in the past, nutritional yeast is basically like the crumbs at the bottom of a box of Cheez-Its. So it has a really delicious cheesy flavor that works well in a wide variety of recipes. So it might sound a little bit weird, but this is actually a staple in many vegans' diets. So not only is it great for adding flavor to dishes, but it's also really high in different nutrients such as the B vitamins, and it's also really high in protein. So if you've never used nutritional yeast in a recipe before, we actually have a really amazing recipe that uses nutritional yeast, and it's a vegan butternut squash mac and cheese recipe. The link is in the description. So up next, we have soy curls. Which are a relatively unknown source of vegan protein, but they're really great as a meat replacement for a bunch of different recipes. So when you open them up and take them out of the package, you'll see that they're just these dehydrated pieces of soy, and they kind of look like little nuggets or jerky, but they're really easy to prepare. All you need to do is hydrate them in water or some kind of sauce as you're cooking. They're really high in protein. They're basically all protein and pretty low in calories. And they're also minimally processed and only have one ingredient, which is, in this case, non-GMO soybeans. So it's a really awesome product to be incorporating into meals. We actually made an awesome vegan barbecue sandwich that is linked in the description. So if you want a recipe using soy curls, you can go ahead and check that out. The only downside of soy curls is that most grocery stores don't carry them, so you might have to buy them online. So up next, we have Soy Curls Little Baby Bro, TVP. So TVP stands for textured vegetable protein, and it's not the most appealing name, but TVP is an awesome meat replacement that you can use in a lot of different dishes. So TVP is very similar to soy curls. It's also made from soy, but it has a texture more like ground meat. So the kernels are much smaller than soy curls. It's also made from a more defatted version of soy, so they take out more of the fat that is traditionally in soybeans. So this is basically all protein. In one serving, there's 12 grams of protein and 0 grams of dietary fats. TVP is also super easy to prepare. You can use it in any recipes that call for a ground meat replacement like tacos, or you can also use it in burgers. We have an awesome TVP burger recipe that you can find in the description. So next up, we have seitan. Not Satan. This is seitan. So seitan is made from vital wheat gluten, which is basically the protein that's found in wheat. And by basically, I mean that's what it is. So you can easily make seitan at home on your own, but I like to buy mine at the grocery store because there are tons of different options when it comes to flavors and seasonings that are absolutely delicious. Seitan is also super versatile, and you can use it to create a wide variety of different meat textures. It also happens to be extremely high in protein. This box right here has 360 calories with a whopping 72 grams of plant protein. Absolutely delicious and packed with protein. 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 I'll say it a few more times. So up next, we have powdered peanut butter. So powdered peanut butter is absolutely delicious. It's basically peanut butter with about 1/3 of the calories of regular peanut butter. It has the same ingredient, which is peanuts, but what they do is they take out the dietary fat to just leave the protein. The one thing that I would recommend is that you buy it in bulk, because it can be a little bit expensive if you're buying it in smaller containers, but there are lots of different places that you can buy it in bulk. and you can turn it into a peanut butter consistency by just mixing it in a little bit of water. I recommend going slowly and adding the water because it doesn't take that much water to actually create the peanut butter consistency. So it gives you all of that peanut butter flavor, and you can add it to any meal just like regular peanut butter, but it doesn't add all the calories, so it allows you to accomplish your fat loss goals at the same time. So that's it, my top 5 weird but awesome vegan products that I recommend that you try. You can incorporate these into different recipes. You can try the recipes that are linked in the description, and I hope that you enjoy testing out these different products. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.